So today we're going to cover the CPI and PPI inflation releases, touch upon Roaring Kitty and the meme stocks, the bond market, and we'll finish up with just some general thoughts on the financial markets. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Kirk, Financial Group. Today's Wednesday, May 15, 2024. We got the CPI number this morning. Came in at 3.6%. I'm sorry, 3.4%, and core was 3.6%. Both of them in line with what the expectations were. I think one of them was down a tick from the prior month. So it was somewhat good news because it didn't come in hotter. And now, the expectations and that this allows maybe the Fed to start cutting interest rates later this year. I think it's important, though, that this is the 37th consecutive month where that number is above 3%, and the Fed is looking for it to be at 2%. So we got a long way to go for that, and I think there's also some headwinds on, that are going to keep inflation numbers higher for the next several months. The bond market rallied strong. So that means yields came down and bond prices went up because of the lower yields across the Treasury maturities. So I think that's important, and it's going to help stocks as well as lower interest rates. May only be temporary, but today, and the stock market is up today. There was another post by Roaring Kitty in something about showing the Grim Reaper. So that's viewed as a negative for GameStop, and that's down about 20-30%, I think. Was earlier anyways. So, we'll see what that happens if the meme, craze continues. There is some momentum here, and, I see a lot of people talking about how GameStop isn't worth $20, let alone $60. But the reality is the trading and Conforce and the shorts might be getting squeezed, and it's not, I think it closed yesterday around 50. It was trading low 40s this morning. So we'll see where that goes. And I think this kind of folds into, overall the financial markets. So, the rates, interest rates coming down today, inflation probably stays around where we are. And I think there looks to be some of a broadening out in the U.S. stock market that allows, maybe the market to continue into a summer rally, or at least to maintain these levels with a rotation in and out of various sectors. I'm very interested in a couple of things. I think they look pretty good, but I think the market, the large caps may underperform a little bit from the small caps if this meme thing can keep going and the Russell can continue to go forward. So we'll be back on Friday. Thank you for listening. Good luck out there, and thank you for subscribing and the likes and the comments. Goodbye.